Hi folks, and welcome back. Well, is it possible to get a bike indoors when it's warmer to work on? Only one way to find out. Keep watching. Excellent, help has arrived.
Oh,
how
thank
you
you,
doing?
see everywhere.
You doing alright?
Ah, no God.
Vroom, 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 vroom. Vroom, 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 vroom. Slowly, slowly, slowly.
Just take your time. It might not fit. It seriously might not fit, but we can only but try. Yes, I'll go it. It may or may not work this.
You put it up against the edge and then you go up the steps? Or is that too much bending for you?
Actually, I think you're going to need my help lifting this.
Probably. Right. I'm just going to try and feel it up this one, right? Aye.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Right, you need to lift the back end over now, across.
Take it for option first. See me coming. Can you go over a wee touch? Straighten it. Hold on, get it off. Hold on a minute. Can you push it past that? Right, can you lift it for a wee bit? That's it, we're almost
We're
there.
going to do it.
We're almost there.
Oh, sorry, you're going to do it.
Yeah, roll it forward. Right.
Oh
Beautiful.
wow, amazing.
Just let it square right. As far over that way as you can go. That's it. Go over.
Ah, you need to pull the front over. Are you doing that?
See right, push it forward.
You've got to round the corner, that's the hard bit.
That's in. That's it.
This is the easy bit now.
Don't straight left and in.
Excellent. Well done.
Yeehaw!
I can't believe he's actually fitted that. Is awesome.
I know if you take your time. I don't know who needs more resuscitation, the bike or me. Job well done. It's in. With the freezing cold. Oh, look at the space.
Yeah, plenty room for a bike. Just something to keep the floor clean.
Oh, I will. I know. Then forward. Right, lift it. Right, just hope it right round it out. Go.
Right, once we're past we can bring it back again.
There you go. You can play hope. That's where she wants to be, but
That's perfect. Oh, that's wonderful.
there's plenty of room here for you.
Yeah, wonderful.
Happy
I
night.
can work on it now in the warmth. It's awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome, Doll. That's early happiness.
Him. It's a him.
Him.
And get to work in home in comfort. Way. And it looks good in the hall. Just quickly, I want to have a look at the old tax disc. Oh wow, 1998. That's proof it's been off the road 20 years, or almost. So there we go folks, that's a good job done. And thanks for watching. Take care, have fun and ride safe. To be continued.